At CAREERDON, we offer a comprehensive suite of career services designed to elevate your professional journey: professional resume and CV writing, ATS-friendly resume optimization, LinkedIn and job portal profile enhancement, career coaching and interview preparation, business and digital portfolio creation. One of our most popular offerings is the Career Boost Combo, a complete package to optimize your professional presence and get noticed by recruiters. When your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn, and job portals are aligned, you gain better visibility, higher engagement, and more career opportunities. Want to stand out in the job market? Visit www.careerdon.com today.